Hey guys, it's Angelo Christian with Real Estate Insider. Thank you so much for watching the show. Today we're going to teach you actually how to get pre-approved to make sure that you're successful in getting your home loan. One of the key things to make sure that you're successful is preparation. Preparation is key in getting approved for your home loan. Whether you're trying to do an FHA loan, a VA, USDA, or conventional, you have to make sure that you're prepared. All right, it's very, very important that you take the time to structure your loan properly so you don't get denied, so you don't get charged a high interest rate or high closing costs because you're in a hurry or that you went to the wrong lender. So today we're actually talking about how to effectively get you pre-approved, to get you the lowest interest rate, to get you the best deal, to negotiate with the banks and the lenders out there. So the first thing that you want to do is actually check your credit. You can check your credit at annualcreditreport.com. You're allowed to check it there one time for free. You definitely want to get all three, check all three credit scores with Equifax, TransUnion, and Experian. Now, I recommend that if you apply for a home loan, that have the highest credit score possible to get the best loan, the lowest interest rates. The higher you can get that credit score, you want to get it, over 750, 800 credit score to get a lower interest rate. All right, we can help you to boost up your credit. We help people to boost up their credit score for free with getting a home loan. But if you already have a high credit, that's great. That's the first thing you want to do is let's get that credit score up as high as possible. The next thing you want to do is find out what type of loan program do you need to qualify. What's the best loan program for you? Is it FHA? Is it VA? Is it USDA? Is it non-QM? Is it private? Is it hard money? Is it rural? Is it hard money? We have to find out what program is going to be the best program for you. You can call my office at 832-431-6331 so we can do an analysis to see what the best loan program is. We have to determine what is the best loan program. The next step is we got to get your package ready. A lot of deals die and they fall apart because people can't get their loan package right. So we have to take the time to structure your loan to make sure that you have the financials for the last 2 years if that's what you need. If you need a pro forma, if you need a rent roll, if you need a cost budget, if you're a flipper, that you have the last 2 years of rent roll, if you're doing a full documentation loan, that you have your tax returns for the last 2 years or your W-2s for the last 2 years, your bank statements for the last 2 months. If you're doing a bank statement loan, you're self-employed, you need your bank statements for the last 12 months. If you're a self-employed entrepreneur and you have a company, you have to have your company good standing with the Secretary of State, your operating agreement, your articles of incorporation, your bylaws. All of these things have to be in place when you're getting a home loan. That's how you get pre-approved. If you go under contract and you're not already pre-approved, you're doing it the wrong way, and you're going to screw up everything. It cost you a lot of money. You could lose your earnest money and lose your home, lose your property, whether it's commercial, investment, multifamily, it doesn't matter. You have to get the funding first, get your LOI, your letter of interest from the bank like us, or your pre-approval letter if you're buying a consumer home. Get that out of the way first and then go shop. I'm telling you right now, get pre-approved first, get the funding. I don't care if you're worth $100 million or you're worth $1, you got to follow this process, okay? Whether you're getting a line of credit or you're purchasing a beach house or whatever you're doing, let's get the funding down, let's get the structure, all of this ready, and then go into the market with your letter, with your money, with the bank, and then you go buy. This is the process, guys. So it's very, very important that you have this lender consultation in the beginning. We figure out the structure, the direction that we're going with the loan, and then you're off to the races. What people do, they do the opposite. They call us and nothing's ready, right? They're under contract. They say, save me, and then we give them a list, and then they disappear. That's not the way to do it, guys. This video is about how to be successful when getting funding in the marketplace. And again, it doesn't matter if you're a developer, you're a real estate entrepreneur, you're an investor, you're a first-time buyer, you're a veteran, FHA, millennial, it doesn't matter. You have to follow this process to get your structure right. So first thing is let's get the credit right, let's get your package right, let's get your approval letter, and then fourth thing is go into the marketplace. This is the keys to be successful with loan funding, regardless of wherever you are in the country, regardless of who you are. This is the process. So I've been in this industry for over 17 years and done closed over $2 billion in loans. So this isn't my first time talking to you about this. I want to help you guys out there. Call my office at 832-431-6331.